Jai students. So today we are going to solve exercise 6.3. So here I have taken second question. First already we have done, and today I am taking second question. So this is the second question of the question number 2. Here I have made the figure, and in this question what you have to do, you have to find the value of x and y. And this exercise is based on the property of the triangle. And what is the name of the property? The name of the property that you know it already. The sum of the interior angles in the triangle, the sum of three angles in the triangle will be equal to 180 degrees. So what is the property? The total measure of three angles of a triangle. I am writing the property here. The total measure of three angles in the triangle is equal to 180 degree. You know it already. You are listening this from class 5, I think. So what is this property? This property is saying that we know that in triangle three angles form. Okay. So here you can see angle y, angle x and angle 50 degree. So the sum of all these three angles in the triangle will be equal to 180 degree. That means the sum of 50 degree, that means 50 degree plus y plus x is equal to 180 degree. So this exercise is based on this property only. So we have to use this property and then we will find the value of x and y. So I am erasing the property because I have to do the solution. Okay. So let's start the solution now. So first of all I am writing the names of the vertices here. So first it is, I am taking it as A, B and this is C. Okay, you can consider D and E also. So here what we have to do, we have to find the value of x and y. So first of all you can see that the two lines here, the line DE and line DC, these two lines are intersecting each other. And I have taught you that when two lines intersect each other, their opposite angles, okay, the vertically opposite angle will be always equal. So here you can see that these two lines DC and DE are intersecting each other at point A. So the vertically opposite angle will be equal. That means and this angle Y is equal to 80 degree. So from here you have got the answer of y, that means the value of y, it will be equal to 180 degree. So you will write the reason first, y is equal to 80 degree. So first of all we will write that since BE and DC are intersecting each other at which point? So you can see the point is A. So we will write at point A. So their vertically opposite angles will be equal. Now you can write angle y is equal to 80 degree, or you can write y is equal to 80 degree. So one of the variable you got here. So y is equal to 80 degree. Now what is left? We have to find the value of x. Now we can use the property of triangle here. Since you have got the value of y here, y is equal to 80 degree. two of the values are given and we have to find only x. So we will use the property the sum of three angles in the triangle is equal to 180 degree. That means 50 degree plus 80 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. So here I am erasing this because there is no space. So what will, and this is a part of this question only, so you have to continue writing in your copy. So again you will write, we know that from the property of triangle, we know that from the property of triangle, you can write sum of measure of three angles in the triangle is equal to 180 degree, or you can direct write that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, because these are the three angles in the triangle. Now we will put the value of angle A, B and C here. So what is the value of angle A here? You can see where angle A is equal to y and y is equal to 80 degree. So we will write 80 degree here. And one important thing which you don't have to forget, that you have to put the degree sign always. So here angle B is equal to 50 degree. So we will write 50 degree. Now angle C is what? Angle C is x. So we will write x at the place of angle C. So this is equal to 180 degree. Now 80 plus 50 is what? 80 plus 50 is equal to 130 degree plus x. Now we will transpose 130 degree in the right hand side, and when it will go in that side, it will come with the minus sign, because the number before, the sign before any number is always positive sign. So here always is a positive sign. When it will come here, it will become minus. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree, and when you will subtract it, it will come 50 degree. So what is the value of x here? X is equal to 50 degree. Okay. Now the last thing, if you want to check your answer is right or wrong, so what you can do, you can add all the three angles which you have got or which are already given to you. You have to add all these three angles. If the sum will be equal to 180 degree, then we can say that your answer is right. So add these three angles. So 50 plus 50 is 100 and 100 plus 80 is what? 180 degree. So we can say that our answer is right. So you have to do the solution of this question like this. Like that you have to write all the things very nicely. Okay. Now we will solve next question in the next video.